Hiya crafters, Amy here, and today I have an easy wintry thank you card, so let's jump right in. Now this is a brand new stencil from the October release at a Colorful Life Designs. I will link it and any other applicable products in the video description box below, but I'm just shopping for some gray cardstock from my scrap stash. I store them in these color-coded folders, which kind of encourages me to use them more. And here is a photo of the finished card to show you the direction that we're headed, but I am so tickled with how this card turned out, and I cannot believe how easy it was. I'm using one single color. That was Stone Blue. It's a Catherine Pooler mini ink pad. I'm using my makeshift turntable here. This is a 25-year-old Wilton cake decorating turntable. Sadly, I don't have a link for that, but I'm sure there's something similar on the market. I have one of the Altenew low-tax sticky mats that goes in their stamp platform attached to that. And I'm just going to rotate this panel around and do some ink blending and a very dramatic vignette around this panel. Now this panel is basically around A2 size. It's just a lightweight gray cardstock. It was just a scrap that I have in my stash. I apologize, I don't know the brand, but I'm just going to work through the ink blending, going lighter handed as I move into the center, because I want to draw the eye in to the center of the image with that kind of dramatic vignette. Now this is actually a wintry or a holiday theme sort of stencil, but as you can see, you could easily make this just a masculine card, a general card for use all year round. It doesn't have to be holiday themed. I'm kind of playing on the winter theme by using blues and grays and things like that, but ultimately you could kind of change this up and use whatever colors and use it all year round. So that's just one of the many versatile options that you have with these cool stencils. Now I'm flipping through my sentiment book here to see how I want to finish the card. I'm thinking that thank you is going to work the best from Lawn Fawn at this point, but as you saw, I did end up going with a different thank you. I felt like this design really kind of lent itself to that really cool geometric component in the stencil. And I have these glossy white card bling. These are also from the shop at a Colorful Life Designs, and that's it. Super easy peasy thank you card. I will link everything below in the video description box. Be sure to use my coupon AmyFan10 if you shop and save some cash. And I appreciate you watching. Please hit the thumbs up if you liked it and consider subscribing. And I will catch you next time. Have a great day. Bye.